MIDI/MD/, short for Musical Instrument Digital Interface, is a technical standard that describes a protocol, digital interface and connectors and allows a wide variety of electronic musical instruments, computers and other related devices to connect and communicate with one another. A single MIDI link can carry up to 16 channels of information, each of which can be routed to a separate device. MIDI carries event messages that specify notation, pitch and velocity, control signals for parameters such as volume, vibrato, audio panning, cues, and clock signals that set and synchronize tempo between multiple devices. These messages are sent via MIDI cable to other devices where they control sound generation and other features. This data can also be recorded into a hardware or software device called a sequencer, which can be used to edit the data and to play it back at a later time. Advantages of MIDI include compactness. An entire song can be coded in a few hundred lines, that is in a few kilobytes, ease of modification and manipulation and choice of instruments. MIDI technology was standardized in 1983 by a panel of music industry representatives, and is maintained by the MIDI Manufacturers Association, MMA. All official MIDI standards are jointly developed and published by the MMA in Los Angeles, California, U.S., and for Japan, the MIDI Committee of the Association of Musical Electronics Industry, OMI, in Tokyo. In 2016, the MMA established the MIDI Association, TMA, to nurture an inclusive global community of people who work, play, or create with MIDI, establishing the www.midi.org website as the central repository of information about anything related to MIDI technology, from classic legacy gear to next-gen protocols on the horizon. History. Early development. In June 1981, Roland founder Iketaro Kakashi proposed the idea of standardization to Oberheim Electronics founder Tom Oberheim, who then talked it over with Sequential Circuits president Dave Smith. In October 1981, Kakashi, Oberheim and Smith discussed the idea with representatives from Yamaha, Korg and Koei. Sequential Circuits engineers and synthesizer designers Dave Smith and Chet Wood devised a universal synthesizer interface, which would allow direct communication between equipment from different manufacturers. Smith proposed this standard at the Audio Engineering Society show in November 1981. Over the next 2 years, the standard was discussed and modified by representatives of companies such as Roland, Yamaha, Korg, Koei, Oberheim, and Sequential Circuits, and was renamed Musical Instrument Digital Interface. MIDI's development was announced to the public by Robert Moog, in the October 1982 edition of Keyboard magazine. By the time of the January 1983 Winter NAMM show, Smith was able to demonstrate a MIDI connection between his Prophet 600 analog synthesizer and a Roland JP6. The MIDI specification was published in August 1983. The MIDI standard was unveiled by Iketaro Kakashi and Dave Smith, who both later received technical Grammy Awards in 2013 for their key roles in the development of MIDI. Impact on the music industry. MIDI's appeal was originally limited to those who wanted to use electronic instruments in the production of popular music. In August 1983, New Order released their iconic Blue Monday, which was composed on prototype-level homebrew step-time binary code programming, morphologically a MIDI rendition. The standard allowed different instruments to speak with each other and with computers, and this spurred a rapid expansion of the sales and production of electronic instruments and music software. This interoperability allowed one device to be controlled from another, which reduced the amount of hardware musicians needed to own. MIDI's introduction coincided with the dawn of the personal computer era and the introductions of samplers and digital synthesizers. The creative possibilities brought about by MIDI technology have been credited as having helped to revive the music industry in the 1980s. MIDI introduced many capabilities which transformed the way musicians work. MIDI sequencing made it possible for a user with no notation skills to build complex arrangements. A musical act with as few as one or two members, each operating multiple MIDI-enabled devices, could deliver a performance which sounds similar to that of a much larger group of musicians. The expense of hiring outside musicians for a project could be reduced or eliminated, and complex productions could be realized on a system as small as a synthesizer with integrated keyboard and sequencer. MIDI helped establish home recording. By performing pre-production in such an environment, an artist can reduce recording costs by arriving at a recording studio with a work that is already partially completed. Educational technology enabled by MIDI has transformed music education. MIDI and digital audio contrasted. Those new to the subject of MIDI might confuse it with digital audio. To those it may appear that MIDI and digital audio equipment do the same task, that is the recording of multiple channels of music using digital equipment.